Well, he's already lost lane choice by virtue of the better ET. Doc Holliday will get to choose his lane against R.C. Sherman. Now, here's something you don't often see along the IHRA trail, but you will in the future. A big announcement will bring drag racing motorcycles to the championship IHRA series in the future.
Bob Van Sciver from Acco, New Jersey, and Joe Sway have gotten together to head up the IHRA Motorcycle Drag Racing Division. And around the country, you'll be able to see hundreds of these bikes moving in for motorcycle-only drag racing events. They actually lay on their stomach and run up to 200 miles per hour in top fuel motorcycles, Bob.
Man, you want to grab a handful of horsepower. That's the way to do it. In top fuel.